Hello, this is a video on displaying data. This is section 10.1 and this video is for my Math 206 students. Please turn to section 10.1 in the textbook and take out the note-taking sheet that we distributed in class. Pause the video until you have those materials ready, then start the video again. As you can see by flipping through this section, that we are going to be describing data using graphs. Graphs are a good way to communicate information. It is important in communication to use labels and titles. First of all, let's go over the types of data. Categorical data is categories like dog, cat, French, German. Numerical data is exactly that, numbers, angle measures, heights, weights. Discrete data are individual pieces of information, and generally the bars and dots are not connected. Continuous data, it would make sense to connect the dots because we have the decimal values in between. Let's look at our types of graphs. Pictographs are on page 596 and 597. A dot plot is on page 598. A stem and leaf plot, which I'll be doing an example of in a few minutes, is on page 599 to 602. Bar graphs are on 604 to 605. Histograms are used for numerical data. They're similar to a bar graph, but a bar graph is used for categorical data. I'll be doing an example of a histogram. We have circle graphs. In the next video, I'll be doing an example of a circle graph. Line graphs and scatter plots will be in section 10.2. Now I would like to do A8 in section 10.1. So please turn to that page for this example. In problem number 8, we have a company of 40 people with the following ages, and we're to draw a stem and leaf plot of the data. The first thing to do is look through the data and find the smallest value, and look through the data and find the largest value. I believe the smallest data value is 18. The largest data value is 63. So now I'm going to set up my stem and leaf plot. I think it's a good idea to pause the video and look at some stem and leaf plots in the book before you continue with this example. My smallest value is 18, so I'm going to have some numbers from 10 to 19. I'll indicate that with a 1. My numbers in the 20s are going to go here. My numbers in the 30s will go here. I put a 4 down for the numbers in the 40s, and a 5 and a 6. Now I start working through the data, and I think I'm going to be reading across. The first number is 34. So to the right of the 3, I put a 4. This 3 means 30, this 4 means 34. The next number is 58. So to the right of the 5, I put an 8. The next number is 21, 21, 63, 48, 52. This is going to be a rather laborious and time-consuming process, but I need to fill in all the numbers. I'll do that now. Okay, I'm down to the last 3 numbers, 34. So in the 30 row we need a 4, 29, and 26. Now I am using grid paper here on the smart board so that I can line up my numbers. It is not necessary for you to use grid paper if you don't want to, but you should line up the numbers fairly well. Now I'm going to write the frequencies. Actually, I'll do a frequency table here in just a minute. So I have completed part A. In the next video, we'll do